Assalamualaikum. Hi, good morning. Today I would like to unboxing my very first K-pop album from GOT7 Die album. Um, I'm very excited to open it, and basically I am buying a version B and without a poster. Oh, okay, by the way, that is my cat, Didi. He's very curious about what I am doing over there. Okay, I'm buying it late, but I'm still getting a pre-order benefits, which is GOT7 to a log and another special gift. So that is the cover. You see it. Okay. So basically I am buying this version after watching some of the unboxing videos of the other version, and I am choosing this particular version because I don't even have money to buy all of the versions, and I'm choosing it based on the photos. Actually the photos in this version is very good, and also who doesn't like pink, right? And the cover is hardcover album, and it looks like a book. So we see. Oh, it's JB. He is my bias, but in this comeback, he's looking even far more good looking. Maybe because of the hair, I'm falling in love with his hair. And I'm loving this kind of picture when they are taking in front of the aquarium. I need to take away the photo card. You can see every member in this version, in this photo book, they are looking good. The concept of this album is like a prince. So I'm not sure, maybe because of the concept that they are all looking good. Oh, that is a group photo. I like the design actually. The picture, the color, every single thing in this version, I like it. Oh, okay. There's a very good looking photo of JB.